I'm Miss Mary. I'm the children's librarian at the Hyde Park Library. We've partnered with the Greater Cincinnati STEM Collaborative on this project you can do at home, Magical Milk.
For Magical Milk, you'll need 1 cup of milk, white vinegar, 2 bowls, measuring spoons, a regular spoon, a strainer, and paper towels. I pre-warmed the milk in a microwave for 1.5 minutes. Ask an adult to help you with this. So take your milk, a tablespoon. You'll need 4 tablespoons of vinegar. Pour them slowly into the milk. Stir the milk in the vinegar for 1 minute. The milk should start to clump. The milk protein reacts with the acid in the vinegar. The milk doesn't mix with the acid. It clumps and it forms a blob, which is called casein, which is a plastic. You can see more plastic blobs. Take a bowl and the strainer. Pour the milk through the strainer. Now you can see how the plastic clumps together. Take the paper towels and push all the liquid out of the milk. You can pick up the blob. Form it in your hand, but be sure to get all the liquid out of it. You may need another paper towel to get it fully dry. Put the plastic in the bowl and mold it. Take a heart cookie cutter, split the blob in half, put 1/2 in your cookie cutter. So now you have a casein plastic heart. Take the other half and make a ball, and you'll have a plastic ball. Set both aside for 2 nights to dry.
Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
This video was produced in partnership with the Greater Cincinnati STEM Collaborative. For more STEM activities, visit greatercincystem.org.